ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತ್ರಿಲೋಕ್ ಸಂಚಾರಿ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ಚಾನಲ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಫೈನ್. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತು 28 ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದು 10:15 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಮೊನ್ನೆ 26ರಿಂದ 31ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ತನಕ ರೈಡರ್ಸ್ ಅರೀನಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಬೈಕರ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಾನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಸಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋಣ. ಹಂಗೆ ಶಾಂತಿನಗರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಕೆಲಸನೂ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋಣ. ಇವಾಗ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಭೀಷ್ಮನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಜೊತೆಗಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದು 12 ಕಾಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಶಾಂತಿನಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಡರ್ಸ್ ಅರೀನಾನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶಾಂತಿನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ರೈಡರ್ಸ್ ಅರೀನಾ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಜೊತೆಗಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಸೊ ನಾನಿವಾಗ ಶಾಂತಿನಗರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ. ಆಗಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬೈಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ರೈಡರ್ಸ್ ಅರೀನಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಬೈಕರ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಜನ ಏನೋ ತುಂಬ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 26ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು 28 ಆದ್ರೂ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಶಾಬಾಜ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೈ ಶಾಬಾಜ್, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು? ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ಸಾರಿ ಈ ಸತಿ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್?
It's crazy. Sale is going on crazy.
ಯಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 2 days. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹೀಲ್ಸಾ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೀಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್. ಸೊ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಬರೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಯ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು?
Hi, I'm doing fine. How are
So
you doing?
can you please explain what is your this thing?
Okay, so basically, we're from a company called Hilsa.
Yeah.
We're here for the past 3 years,
Mhm.
and we generally deal with a lot of imported massagers, hand massagers, training kits like Blaze Pod,
Okay.
and we also supply physio products like tapes, things like that.
Okay.
Since we found that a lot of people are not able to access, products from abroad because they're quite expensive.
Okay.
We've brought in something which is quite cost effective. These are our own massagers here. You can see this is for the knee, this
Okay.
is for the eyes, and this is for the calf and the forearm. It's called the airless utility.
Okay.
Right? So they have air compression and heat
Okay.
together, which generally helps in relaxation of muscles, and this can be used for post-exercise recovery,
Okay.
pain due to any kind of arthritis or joint pains and things like that. This will reduce all the joint pains and relax all the muscles. It might not cure, but then you have a very good effect in case you get your one-off niggles and things like that.
Okay.
Also, it helps where, say you're going to the physiotherapist and taking therapy. There are times that your lifestyle doesn't, allow you to stop doing a few activities which the physio might have told you.
Yeah.
Right? In that case, when you're taking treatment with the physio, parallelly, if you can use this twice or thrice a day, along with, in case, to the worst extent that you're not able to stop your activity, these will help reduce the muscle knots.
Okay.
So when you use these, it kind of relaxes with the muscle, and your treatment with the physiotherapist improves in terms of pace. So you get better improvement and faster.
Okay. And one small question.
Sure.
How would this benefit a rider?
Okay, how would this benefit a rider? Now, a lot of times, I think a lot of bikes are not, in the size of the rider. Sometimes the rider is too tall for a bike. If you're short for a bike, that's fine. But if you're a little too tall, your knee bends a lot, right?
You mean to say the ergonomically not matched?
Ergonomically, yes. If you don't ergonomically match with the bike,
Okay.
most of the time it is for tall people, right? Short people somehow manage, and if you're just fine for the bike, it's okay. If your height is fine for the bike, it's okay. But if you're a little too tall, you get a lot of knee pain because there's a lot of bending,
Yeah.
right? And your foot has to go wherever the foot pegs are. You cannot adjust accordingly. So sometimes tall people tend to get a lot of knee pain, especially when they're riding sports bikes or cruisers and things like that. So for that post bike, you can always use the knee massager.
Okay.
And off late, a lot of hand pains. You get a lot of forearm pains and elbow pains
Yeah.
because of riding and things like that. And you tend to wear the band, and then you wear all that. You don't need to wear all those things. All you do is wear your jacket every ride. You can always use a air press utility.
Okay.
Now, this functions in two ways. It can also relax your forearm, and it also relaxes your calf, where you do a lot of work with the brakes and the gear.
Yeah.
Right? So when you're switching gears and things like that, you tend to have calf pulls. Say you have you have your Royal Enfield. Right? I had a friend who said, I buy a Royal Enfield only because I want to kickstart. Right? So, but a lot of times you have leg pains and things like that for that. So this will help relax your calf muscle and your forearm muscle.
Okay. And the eye thing.
So eye can be used by anybody. Can be used by anybody who generally tends to have headaches, even up to things like migraines.
Okay.
People who cannot get sleep and things like that. It provides air compression right around the eyes and around this area, this temple area,
Okay.
and relaxes the muscle called the temporalis.
Okay.
Right? Now, when that usually strains when there's a lot of mental, physical stress. You have a really tiring day. You've had maybe anywhere between 4 and 10 hours of screen time. you know, so all that hurts. This will help relax it. It also has a heating facility. It will massage over your eyeballs very gently.
Okay.
Because it's a very thin muscle,
Hmm.
so that cannot be adjusted. That is automatically adjustable on the machine, and it relaxes all the eye muscles around. So even if you middle of the day, your eyes are strained, you've worked all night, you've worked continuously, just take a 10-minute gap, use this massager, and you're all set for the next 1.5 hours.
And can a person with the glasses wear?
Yeah, anyone can wear it.
Okay.
In fact, there are this thing where it is suggested, the technology of air compression and relaxation. It is suggested that it can bring down your vision discrepancies and things like that. But since we have not scientifically tested it, we are generally not putting it out on paper.
Yeah.
But those are the effects which are. But you can always remove your
Because
glasses and use it.
I'm a former specs user.
Right.
Means like after that I had a laser surgery
Right. LASIK.
and corrected my eye.
Right.
So now I'm not wearing any specs.
Right.
So, but before the only specs is also one of the weight on the nose, the nose break. Okay, so how about this? This is like strapped on to you, or
Yeah, this is strapped on to you. It's very simple. You wear it like a VR set.
okay.
Okay, all you have to do is take it,
Mhm.
wear it like a VR set,
Mhm.
adjust it to how comfortable you are.
Okay.
This is elastic, plus this is adjustable here.
Okay.
Right? You long press this,
Okay.
okay, and it starts massaging. So it starts massaging through the eyes.
Mhm.
These also have Bluetooth speakers so that you can connect it to your phone and listen to any peaceful music you want. You can use, listen to your Om chanting and all those things, right? Which relaxes your eye.
Mhm.
And it's very simple to remove as well. Okay, you can use it anytime, in the car, in your house, you're sitting relaxed anytime.
Okay.
So this is
what-
how it works. Very
What
simple.
would be the cost of each product?
So all of these
Okay.
and each of these cost you 9,000 rupees.
Okay.
This separately will cost you 9,000.
Okay.
Until the 31st of December here in Riders Arena,
Okay.
we have a very good discount going on at 25% flat.
Okay.
Okay. Whatever you take, how many ever you take, you have a 25% flat off.
Okay.
We did have a 10% off and all that, but because we're very happy with the product and how it's selling,
Okay.
we're offering a straight 25%
Off.
discount on the product.
Okay.
Please come and avail your discounts at Riders Arena.
Sure. And if at all, means one of our subscribers want to reach you about these things.
Sure.
So
you can
how-
always visit us as Hinsa India.
Okay.
This is our brand. This is our logo.
Okay.
You can also see the card.
ಸೊ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇದಿದೆ. ಇವನ್ ನಾನು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಎನಿವೇ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ
Thank you.
ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೋಪ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಯು ಸೂನ್.
Yeah. Thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯಿತು, ತುಂಬ ರಶ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ 30ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಶನಿವಾರ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೂ 31ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ತನಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ರೈಡರ್ಸ್ ಅರೀನಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಆಫರ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಚೆಕ್ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೊರಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಆನ್ ದ ವೇ ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಜೊತೆಗಿರಿ. ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್ ಹಾಕೋ ಓಕೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಸೊ ರೈಡರ್ಸ್ ಅರೀನಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಬೈಕರ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಯಿತು, ನೋಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೇನೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ 30th ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಬನ್ನಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಲಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಸ್ಟೇ ಸೇಫ್, ಸ್ಟೇ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ.